This is the health report. Bladder cancer is the ninth most common cancer in the world. An estimated 12 million new cases are found every year. Now, researchers say there are developed a device that can identify the disease. The device is called the autoreader. It has a sensor that sprays chemical in the glass released by Android. The device takes about 30 minutes to analyze the odor in an Android sample. The Institute of Biosensor Technology at the University of the West of England in Bristol developed the device. Chris Rober at the University of Liverpool was part of a team that tested its Mr. Rober said the results are highly accurate. Researchers that the autodose on 98 Android samples. 24 were from patients known to have bladder cancer. 74 were from people who had bladder infection, but not bladder cancer. The device identified every one of the patients with bladder cancer. Mr. Brober said researchers in other labs are developing stomach devices to diagnose stomach cancer, another common disease worldwide. In an earlier study showed that dogs could be trained to detect bladder cancer based on the data of Android. However, the dogs' noise were not nearly as reliable as the near device. Mr. Roberts said the same device could someday be used to monitor the health of workers in industry, like rubber and insulation manufacturing. Those employees have a high risk of cancer. Bladder cancer is now found by looking for blood in Android. Mr. Roberts said researchers have not yet identified which classes in Android make the same genetic to bladder cancer, but he said they are working on that and on other reading despite to diagnose other cancer. An article on the autoreader appeared in the journal PLOS One from the Public Library of Science English.